In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect Google Drive to Slack. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open Slack either through the desktop app or your web browser, and access your workspace where you manage your conversations and tools. Once you are inside, look at the left side panel and click on More to expand additional options. Then select Tools to continue. Inside the Tools section, click on Apps, which will take you to the app directory where you can manage and install integrations for your workspace. On the Apps page, you will see a list of recommended apps. Look through it and select Google Drive. If it is not visible in the recommendations, use the search bar and type Google Drive to find it manually. Once you locate it, click Install to start the setup process. After clicking Install, a new window will appear where you need to click Add to Slack. Then select Allow to grant the necessary permissions for the integration. Slack will then begin connecting Google Drive to your workspace. After that, you will be asked to verify your email, so follow the on-screen instructions carefully and complete the verification process. Once your email is verified, click Continue to proceed. In some cases, you may be prompted to verify again, so repeat the same step if it appears on your screen. After verification is completed, you will be taken to a page showing your installed apps inside Slack. Here you can confirm that Google Drive has been successfully added to your workspace and is now listed among your connected applications. This page acts as confirmation that the integration has been set up correctly. At this point, the setup process is complete, and Google Drive is now connected to Slack,